There, now I am.
Good.
Bye!
You can ask my brother. We have sat at a gas station for God knows how long now.
For a while.
Last of the lightning, we are going down to Hibbing Lake and stretch up to Funkley and Hibbing. We're now about to go into it. It's get oh my god.
This ought to be fun. This is west. This is west, not north, dude. That guy behind us says, "I'm moving north." This is west, not north.
I got trivia. What truck? So what movie is this from? The first one or the second one? Comment down below.
Watch someone guess it wrong just for shits and giggles.
I would.
Oh, we got rain. Hey, we got rain.
I know.
We got big lightning too.
Yeah.
And this truck hasn't been repaired yet, so we might die.
We got red. We're going into the red right now.
Good. Oh, we got hail.
Yeah. See a floating phone tower.
I'm looking for a hook.
That's why I'm too.
Where are you?
You going deeper? Where are you? Dave, when you going deeper?
On a minute.
It's more red in the middle. Hey, with that truck.
Wait, did someone in your video, your live say stay with the red truck? Oh no, Rusty Bear said it!
Yeah, I'm recording, I'm not streaming. We're in and out, we're about to miss it, but it might just go over us. Oh, it's behind us. Oh, Jesus!
Woohoo!
I'm looking on the radar. It's moving towards Funkley.
There's the airfield. Watching an airplane get sucked up. Yeah. I think we're going away from the storm.
Yes, we are. It's on our right. It's on our right.
Ah, dang it.
Oh, that. I've been saying it's going to Funkley.
Yeah, I can't look at the map. I'm driving. I'm here, Beans. Oh, jeez. Yeah, my truck ain't gonna last long if we get sucked up.
Oh, that'd be great footage.
Okay, so we're back in the rain. That's not the road we want.
No. There's a rotation. Oh boy. And if you look up, I think I might see a funnel.
Where? Oh, too soon.
No, up. Up.
I don't see nothing. Although I hear a storm set.
Right.
Right? Oh! Damn, there it is.
I might just scare the poop out of my subscribers. It's right there. There it is!
Oh no. The rain stopped and the hail stopped. Oh no. Come here, Big Bertha. We're coming for you. This truck is very slow. Turn!
The front wheels are messing up.
No, the front wheels were sliding.
It's gonna touch.
Yeah, we're going in. We're going in.
Ah, okay. Oh, that's about to be some fun footage. There it is! Left, left!
Oh, that is a little too close for comfort.
You think?
You ready to get sucked up, Ethan?
Yeah!
Well, let's do it. Shit, where's the music when we need it?
There's a guy a guy in the back seat doesn't need to be... Oh, we're good then.
Not if I put the gear down.
I'm getting screamed out there when I'm so sorry.
Oh no! Oh no! I was gonna say he going bye-bye.
Did he get sucked up?
Dang. No.
Let's go!
Yeah, I put the gear down too soon.
Really?
Yeah, now we gotta wait for it to suck, let go of the ground.
Let's follow it!
Blow it! Yeah! Oh wow, that was a slow takeoff.
I'll buy another one. My cancer just got left behind. Oh, this is a perfect view of a screenshot.
Ethan?
Sorry. Yeah?
3 words.
Oh,
Hold my beer.
yeah! Woo! Yeah! The tree's gonna stop us.
No, it's not. Ethan, look in front of us.
Oh!
My truck's gonna get destroyed.
I'm in first person.
Let's do this! Pick me up! Pick us up! Come on! You picked me up before! Pick me up! This ain't fair! Where are you? I don't know if we're inside it or outside of it. Oh.
We're inside. We're inside of it. This is great footage. This is not gonna go well.
We're not even getting picked up. This is some bullshit. Oh, that's because we're not even in it! We got it! Let's do this! Get ahead. No, we're going in, bitch. Here we go! Here we go! I think we're inside of her. Oh, that's not wrong. They're gonna see us go right through them. Bye, bye. Oh, what? She didn't pick us up.
Yeah, so we just went right through that.
Come on, baby. Don't you sidetrack us. Where'd you go? Did you get sucked up? Damn it, Ethan!
I died!
Of course you did. We're still in the... You're still flying. Speeds, Ethan, the speeds are reaching 105.
I see it!
Oh, there goes down one.
I saw the tornado!
You know, my truck's not going to be alive when we're done.
David! And a tornado! Oh my god!
You know, we just got overran by her.
No! David! It's coming towards me! It's coming towards my spawn! I am very close to you guys, by the way.
Oh, we're following her right now.
I'm going towards her. I have so many screenshots of this shit. Dude, I see them. I see the cars. I see you guys.
We're coming towards you. Come here, Big Bertha.
Dave.
Where the hell is Ain't No Love in Oklahoma at when I need it? Or Steal My Thunder?
Copyrighted.
I know, right? Wait, not if I play the wrong version of it.
Nope, still counts.
Damn.
Yeah, that's how it works.
Pick me up! Now!
I
Pick me up, you damn tornado! Uh-oh. 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 She's throwing us around! Help! Help! Oh god! She's sliding me around! Oh no! You know what? Look at the chat.
I'm in her.
That's something wrong. Look at the chat. Oh yeah, she turned us backwards! Hey look, someone else's truck! Hi, bye! Aw, she picked up. I think she lifted up or nope, she's still here.
I'm being pushed.
Come here! Oh, you bitch.
Oh, God.
She threw a tree in my... Ethan, she threw a tree at me. Ethan, look at the chat in the game, and you'll see something funny. Bye, Ethan! Uh-oh.
I see you.
Oh, no! She's throwing me again! I got help! No! I don't want to die! I don't want to die! Oh, I'm alive.
Did you die? Did you die?
No, we're alive. Carson's standing on the truck like that just happened. I just told him get in! Round 3!
Stay there! No! Stay there! I'm
Nope.
there! I'm waiting to run. I'm in the grass with you. Stop! Let me join you.
Round 3! Give us a second. You're about to see us. Hey! You're about to see us get picked up.
I watched the whole thing go down.
You're about to see it happen again! Round 3! Ding ding.
He goes flying backwards.
No, I'm gonna laugh if she... Ethan, I'm gonna laugh if she throws us back at you.
I'm right behind you guys, so hey, maybe.
Where is she? I can't see her.
You in her.
Are you sure? Because the wind's not
Yes.
picking up.
She's dying out.
Aww. Well, that's no fun.
No, she's coming my way though.
Oh, have fun, Ethan.
Oh, look at that. That's a beautiful.
That's so beautiful. Throws a tree at him. That's not beautiful. Oh, she just
That's
lifted right behind us.
Dude, I see you still there.
Hurry up!
I'm in the grass.
She's getting... Run! She's getting away!
I'm driving.
You're Oh. Yeah, you're in the slowest truck. Oh, I think she just got bigger.
I'm joining.
Round 3! Or 4!
Well, yeah, no, I know what you saw. We went through the same shit. I went through a tree.
I got a tree chucked at us. That's why...
Did you see my body flying?
That's why I said I'm gonna laugh if she chucks us back at you.
Did you see my body go flying when I...
No, I was looking at my phone.
No, I jumped out of your truck running, and all of a sudden I got picked up and chucked around.
I bet you those kids are laughing their asses off.
Oh no, my subscribers are going to be dying laughing.
Hey Ethan, we're about to pass them on the highway again. I'm gonna honk the horn. Watch this. All they see is us chasing the tornado. Like, come back here. Yeah!
I think she's dying out though. What a thumb out.
Yeah, I think she's dying out. I don't
Check
think.
the radar. Check the radar.
Is she going off the map?
There's 2 of them.
Where? Where's the other one?
Prior Lake.
Ah, crap. I can't see because of the nighttime. We're gonna have to, I'm gonna have to. We're gonna have to wait until the daytime because I don't chase at night.
Me either. I see a phone tower. We can stop at that town for the night. I see a phone tower. What a footage!
That was hilarious.
Well, guys, thank you for watching. I'll see you next one.
We're right next to Welchel. Oh, what? We're right down the road from Hazleton, actually.
Yeah, I know.
We'll just go down to Hazleton.
Up there, views. Shit. Now I have to think of a thumbnail. Choose the thumbnail I want to use. That's some good ones. Really good ones. Dave?
Yes?
No, my she picked up. That was the one that died down.
Oh, I'm losing traction. My wheels are damaged. 10 to none. We need to get the truck fixed. I bet you it's down to 20% of damage now.
What a video.
Oh, yeah. Hey, let me end my recording.